In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell your crypto inside of eToro. Now to do this, there are two ways that you can do this. One is just using eToro and the other one is using the eToro wallet. So let me quickly show you the first one. You just want to head over to portfolio, find your crypto that you want to sell and close your position. So press close and close if you want to close all, or you can do like this if you only want to close some of it. So that is the way that you can do it on here. If you wanna do it from the eToro wallet, which is called the eToro Money, which is an app, you wanna open up the app, and eToro Money is basically just a wallet for your crypto on eToro. Head to the crypto section, type on XRP or whatever one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, click sell, type in how much, and just confirm it, and then you will sell it from there. Now keep in mind, it's the same account that you connected, so if you sell it on the eToro wallet, the eToro Money, then it will also be sold on here and your cash will be the same on both. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.